Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Java with a controller. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we're going to download three things. Okay, so first one, open up your favorite browser, and then we're going to download Fabric. Go ahead and find Fabric, and then in here, click on Fabric or the first search result, and then we're going to go ahead and download the Fabric loader. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, click on Download Universal Jar right here. Save it on your desktop. And then go ahead and download the Fabric API as well. Right here, go to Files. Basically download the version, okay? So I have to use 1.21.11 as my Minecraft version is 1.21.11 as well. So go ahead and download it. Download. Wait for it. Save it on your desktop, save, and then we're going to download Midnight Controls right here. Midnight Controls Minecraft. Go ahead and download it from Modrinth or wherever. I'm just going to go ahead and use Modrinth right here. Hit on download. Select game version, again 1.21.11. Select the platform. So we have downloaded Fabric. So we're going to select Fabric. Hit on download. Save it on your desktop, save. Wait for it. So close it or close the browser, and here we have three files: Fabric Installer, Fabric API, Midnight Controls. Move these two. We're going to install Fabric Installer right here. Version same, install. Now it says here, please close the Minecraft launcher, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Close. Then I'm going to hit on yes right here. Wait for it. Hit on OK. Close. Now delete the Fabric installer as we are not going to be needing it anymore. Now we have these two. Now go ahead and open up the launcher. And then once it loads, go ahead over to Java Edition, installations right here. Go ahead and find Fabric, open up the folder, and then just double click on mods. If you don't have the mods folder, just go ahead and create one. Double click, now move these two. All right, and then once that's done, close this one. Now, before we open up a Fabric right here, make sure that your controller is disconnected. Okay. Now go ahead and use a USB cable to connect it. Okay. Or the first connection, you'll have to use your USB cable. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my USB cable or USB-C cable. And then I'm going to load Fabric. I understand. Play. Wait for the game to fully load. And once that's done, go ahead and connect your controller. Connect it. And you should be able to see a pop-up at the top right in a moment. Okay, right here, as you can see, controller connected X input gamepad. So I'm currently using my stick right now. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Now you go ahead and press A to open up any tab. Press B to back. Okay, or you could also use options right here, and you should be able to see under controls. Open it. You should be able to see controllers right here, okay? In the top right or at the top right, just click on it and here you have a ton of options. You can go ahead and change this one however you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open up a world right here. You can go ahead and use any type of controller, by the way. I'm currently using an Xbox One controller or Series X. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.